I'm here in the eastern woodlands of Turtle Island, otherwise known as Southern Ontario to most today. And this is an old-growth hickory tree. In this small patch of forest, there are both shagbark and shellbark, otherwise known as the kingnut. Both of these trees were extremely important to the pre-colonial inhabitants of this forest region, where they provided a stable food supply for well over a century of their lifespan. The nut orchards tended by the Haudenosaunee Confederacy referred to this tree as the anti-famine tree, due to its ability to provide reliable sources of protein and store for well over a year at room temperature in the shell. They tended their nut orchards using fire to clear out the underbrush, coppicing, and saving seeds from the largest, most productive trees to plant out in the areas after they were done their Three Sisters plantations in a 50-year cycle that's reminiscent to the milpa cycle of the Maya. This food forest design system allowed for ecology to stay intact, biodiversity to thrive, and for humans to be fed simultaneously, keeping the water clean, the air clean. And the original cathedrals the Creator put here, called old-growth forests, intact and able to provide the spiritual nourishment they were intended to. To learn more about this species, click the description section below and you'll find an in-depth article telling you how to cultivate hickory, how to process the nuts, and its many uses in modern day and ancient regenerative agroforestry systems.